What has your crush analysed about you? Your crush has analysed that you are a star. Plain simple, straight off the bat. They've analysed that you are, for some of you, a star in the making or an undercover star. They have analysed that you are popular. They have analysed that you draw a lot of attention to you. You have star appeal. You are high vibrational. You are extremely talented, multi-talented in some regard, but it's almost as if you are in your own world. You like to keep to yourself. You're very reserved. You're very down to earth. You're very humble, but there's a lot of shocks that come with your package because it's like you slowly reveal the different sides to you. Your crush has analysed that you are respected and you keep certain aspects of your personality contained and you only reveal these sides when needs be. Your crush has analysed that you are victorious. You have become victorious in a certain area and you are unstoppable. Your crush has realised that you can be an individual, or you were an individual that was emotionally closed off, and either you can be or they view you as someone that used to be an individual that stays quite stuck in situations. You stick to what you know. You are a loner by choice, and your crush may feel like you hold on to a past way of being. It's almost as if you've got one foot in, one foot out. They may feel like you're still tied to a person, a certain situation, an ex, a thought pattern, and you're fearful of change. For some of you, your crush has analysed that you are fearful of happiness in some regard. I'm also picking up that your crush may analyse from you that you are fighting to experience the happiness that you deserve. But it's almost as if you are being held back by something toxic. This could be an ex-partner. This could be thought patterns. Something that needs to be let go of. A cycle that needs to be closed. So maybe your crush may feel like you are not ready to close a cycle yet. For some of you, your crush may view you as someone that has one foot in the past and one foot in the present with them. They may feel like you're unsure, unable to release something, because they may feel like you may feel that if they step into the new, then they will receive some type of tower moment. So staying one foot in the past is more safer. Your crush has analysed that you are a go-getter. Nobody do it better. Now, for real, your crush has analysed that you are a big deal. You are sovereign, is what I'm hearing. Don't know why it came up, but you are 100% true. You are stable. You are a money maker. You are ambitious. You are viewed highly. You are respected. You are taken seriously for your craft. You have the ability to make a lot of money. Your crush has analysed that you are a hard worker. You're very focused, very diligent, very down to earth, very traditional. And for some of you, your crush has analysed that you are working through your fears. You have overcome some type of trauma, maybe connected to the mother. Your crush has also analysed that you're becoming more independent, more bold, more fearless. Your crush has analysed that you are starting to take yourself more seriously now. You are investing in yourself, in your projects. This could have been something that you stalled on in the past. But now you are finding that you are more than capable, and that comes with confidence. So they do see that your confidence has risen. You're more self-expressive. You have overcome some type of mental anguish. Or for some of you, your crush may feel like you get very frustrated at times and burnt out, which is a normal thing for everyone. And it will be beneficial if you took time out for yourself to recharge. And your crush has analysed that you can become quite snappy, and that's only because you are burnt out and tired, and it is advisable from them to just take time out, even away from them, just to have your alone time. Your crush has analysed that you need to have an alone time because maybe you work hard, maybe you are an entertainer, maybe you are performing, or you're in the public eye at work or something of that sort, or you know, part of your work does require you to be in front of the public all the time, and it is advisable to prioritize rest and relaxation. And your crush has analysed that you are very spiritually deep, is what they will say. They did not know that you had this side to you. They felt like you hid this side to you, and you are extremely powerful. And they may have assumed that powerful people, you know, look a certain way. Maybe they may have felt like powerful people were only found in certain religious, or in certain religions, I should say, right? But you could be someone that's down to earth. You can dress quite casually, jeans, jacket, t-shirt, and you can have your head in the books. So they're realizing that you are extremely powerful, extremely smart, and it's come as a shock. Your crush has analysed that you can get a little bit scattered sometimes, and again it ties in with needing to rest and take time out. Your crush is also realizing that you're speaking up more, but you still maintain that soft, gentle side, that compassionate side, that warm, nurturing side that you naturally have within, but you're finding a balance. Your crush has analysed that you have analysed them back. How about that? But your crush has analysed that you are extremely beautiful. You are a natural beauty. You're very observant. And they feel a mental connection to you. They feel like they can't lie to you, because you can read them. You can read their thoughts. Your crush has analysed that you can overcome any odds that stacked up against you. And you have that way about you whereby, regardless of whatever situation you are in, you maintain a stable, reliable, practical side to yourself. And your crush has analysed that you are extremely powerful. They're actually looking at you as though you are their future husband or wife. Your crush has analysed that you could actually be someone, or you are someone that they want to marry. Especially with the Hierophant card right here. So you're shocking this crush. In a good way, butterflies. Keep shining.